Beli pi borok. Sasi sin pediang sumhai pi syaka channel jungi ka Wan Pentingan Diaries. Mentara sin ngin hian no syaka wei na kinong ba bapauna ma kitain garu ka jela jungi kata kadi kanong ba tura. Haga bangin lecim menta ban saki ya kata masa 4900 drums Wangala Festival Arajar Apsan. Ya kani kata masa na panlong haki lais ngi kata na dukan Rio Nyau Pratrik Jong Naiviang Arja Apsan hagas nong Chi Bragre kabadan hapo ka blok Rongram West Garo Hills District. Kanong ba tura kadon kumbalai 4 km naka nong ba Shillong. Kajing laki ka Wangala Festival kadi kata masa ka bahe makerpang jong kinong sung sa kitan garo hadin ka ayom jong kajing ot dani kajing mi. Kadi kata masa ban peninami ka reti ka dustura ka put ka tem ka syat kajing le kai ba per maka jing le nyam bun rukom. Te mentang ada nang ni hapo ka nong ba tura. Mentang dan ni hapo nong ba tura ka bangan dinasti Sipok Madan. Mapulong itu ka Wangala Festival. Kali kasni bakarpang yung garo. Kalenti nang ni siapa katu kajaka penlong kakam jangan dia. Siapa ni ipi mah. Nang ni sakti kajaka ba penlong ya ka Wangala Festival. Kadang kumba si 8 kilometer Taka kerteng jangan ni kajaka kalong ka Garo Heritage Village Wangala Adam Wangala kadi ka kerteng Adam pat aktin Garo sini kemut jaka te Wangala Adam piong. Dahil na po niya po mag-iong ka Garo Heritage Village. Ngayon sa sedang manpit na kalong ni ka program tasmi. Anga chansya da alde anga ngamgi pa sal ongekon.
Agan kumui salja aro hariko cikai kumanci wandukai tunsu Wangala tourism department se namja datam department namba unike dakta din chumode namdegen Meghalaya tourism ni mepo sal na nam nigen
Support naman yan, magtala. Again, baksana mandirang ba tarak biya pote no de matken je jong bisani troka ko namin kang jahan di ba jimangan wa jong sawakoni troka ko naskinga jeng atam ni bako jeng maksang kubo jang satayan jeng
more than 100 stalls kumay no wa magnaba Mexic house ko kiyo na katananga anake dangtang ini kanirang yung dangtang mansa simang nanong paisol ang dia pagsiyaring dangkol ng kugeni bebira.
And this festival, as you all know, this is the Thanksgiving festival for harvesting festival. After the season, these people would like to enjoy with this the bounty what God has given them. So this festival is really a celebration of festivals we call it. So this time, coming year, it's going to be the 50th year, and in that period, I think the organizers are planning to do in a very bigger way. So Minister of Tourism is always there to support these festivals, and we would like to thank the Meghalaya government and various local organizations also to organize this festival. Thank you very much.
Khi trong cô gan bông rô chỉ thi bal bao ba đã công công bal lô sẽ bal bông rô manda chia chung bông rô bộ churang bộ bông rô nanda chiwa bông rô bộ ganisa thalodi.
But this particular dance is ritualistic. This is why it is participated only by archers who still practice the indigenous religion called Songsare. Jumano didi akan naskenga didi masih serta nirang dongani gemen bangas ngalirang katenga maini gemen. Coming up first is the village of Gondengre with their wonderful display of Wangala dance. Hi, Japadoke and Chenum Taksona. Hi. Gondengre songni Wangala kotok ko dilengpa haljen ki sama niya tayo bone matkir na kram sopanjo that has got to do with keeping away and cremation of the dead body. This is a depiction of the bullock being brought, which will be killed in memory of the dead, because the Garos believe that if a bullock or an oxen is not killed in the name of the dead person, the spirit of the dead will not be accorded a good place in the other world. So in order to procure a good place, the Maharis, the relatives of the dead, they make sure that an oxen is killed in the name of the dead person. And anjing ni strong bewal, anjing ni demen ko anjing laki besok na, mandis ya, mamdonga, wala matsudet na may ni demen ko anjing masya, acik mandis yon matsudet jaude, waktu jaude, uni janggi. Memang songsi biak nama ko manjana Nagsuko parang inisojana. Una gemensa wak macu katode, una memang kata katode, una kamen barak andrek ke sokapako telenga. Wamang dama gurung dokyong kaksenina. Wamang ajimaruwa kutub ditna do krusuwa normal pante katjangjanga normal pante makkangnya normal pante sararuwa yarang ko ya skang pa bakko takime sokangya. Is from Sapagre. Sapagre ni Chokapa Kotoko Delgapa Salman A. Sangma. The warrior leader of the Sapagre dancing troupe is Salman A. Sangma. They will be performing about 7 items. Ajimaruwa, Japanya, Domegonga, Normal Pante Katsusa, Tame Makangnya, Jajong Mesoka. Then they will greet all of us and they will return. This dance item is a playful attempt of plucking off of the plume that is on the headgears of the dancers. May denani zamano sokaparang paras wako soke mesokanggen. This present dance item is depiction of washing of clothes. This washing of clothes is in preparation for the Wangala festival, where the villages are cleansed and clothes are washed and prepared.
Ai ma sa phang to kan ne chen sen atini school ni student na aro KGB bi sa hai rakhi ko to mo. So here we go.
Lama chắc pamphlet ini. Ay, gibihai mangsa. Ay, channel on to down the way. Bong đồ anh hả? Ơi, ai không muốn phát cho cả ông con này nè. Yêu.
Ay, man, sana ay hadir mo.
근데 탐급한 승리 dama wangalani dama ko khna chotan na gata wangal out chotan na kamge ni gamen eno baklana ti so asong pa ini intang banja sok parangko mo nak nasta
ta kan shot ski gas was akhat so bha kan shot lang